Do you know what's amazing? Every day, people around the world are getting a second chance at sight. Parents seeing their children's faces again, workers returning to their jobs, and students getting back to their studies. At Eversight, this is what drives us. We're a global nonprofit eye bank with a mission to restore sight and prevent blindness through the healing power of donation, transplantation, and research. We're also part of something bigger as we work to adhere to 5 key United Nations Sustainable Development Goals that are changing lives across the globe. Let's start with something fundamental. Everyone deserves the gift of sight. It's not just about vision, it's about basic human dignity. When we help someone receive a corneal transplant, we're not just facilitating a medical procedure. We're giving them back their independence, their confidence, and often their whole world. And we're doing this in places where this kind of care wasn't possible before. But here's what makes our work truly special. We're not just providing services, we're sharing knowledge. When we train a local surgeon or an eye bank technician, that person goes on to help countless others in their community. It's like starting a chain reaction of positive change. They learn the latest techniques, the best practices, and then they pass that expertise on to others. This is how real lasting change happens. Now, let's talk about impact. Vision impairment costs the global economy $411 billion every year. That's because when people can't see, they often can't work. But here's the good news. Every time we help restore someone's eyesight, they can return to work, support their family, and contribute to their community. In fact, research has shown that for every dollar invested in health across developing countries, up to $4 go back into the local economy. While vision loss is debilitating, it doesn't affect everyone equally. Some communities have been left behind when it comes to eye care, but we're changing that, one region at a time. Take our partners in Pakistan, for example. Together, we're building a network of eye banks where there were none before. It's about making sure that no matter where you live or what resources you have, you can get the care you need. We're helping communities become self-sufficient. We don't just come in, do our work, and leave. We help foster local eye banking systems that last. We work side by side with local teams, understanding their needs, respecting their culture, and empowering them to create solutions that work for their community. That's how you create meaningful and impactful change. So, here's where you come in. Whether you're a healthcare provider or someone who wants to support this important work in other ways, there's a place for you in this story. If you're in healthcare, we'd love to partner with you. Together, we can bring eye banking and sight restoration to your community. Our global development team is ready to share our expertise and help you build something amazing. And if you're passionate about making a difference, consider this. Your support can help us train more specialists, build more eye banks, and restore sight to more people. Even a small investment can have a huge impact. For instance, $100 can help offset the costs for an individual in a developing country to receive a sight-restoring transplant, and $1,000 can help train an eye bank technician who will go on to help countless patients. Every minute counts in the fight against preventable blindness, but together we can bring the gift of sight to millions of people worldwide, and that's something worth being a part of. Ready to join us? Visit eversightvision.org/global to learn more and get started. Let's make vision care accessible to everyone, everywhere.